Today's topic is all about force meat in larder kitchen. We will see about the introduction of force meat. A force meat is a finely or coarsely ground mixture of meat that is added with fat and seasoning and other ingredients that is used as a base for various charcuterias larder preparation. The mixture is often emulsified to create a smooth or coarsely added texture, and it is used for making sausages, pâtés and terrines, galantines and quenelles. So this force meat is a process of making. First we have to go for selection of meat, whatever it may be a pork meat or it may be a poultry or fish or game. So we have by adding fat such as pork fat or butter for getting moisture and richness. Seasoning can be used with salt and herbs and spices. Grinding or pureeing to the desired texture. Binding agents like eggs, breadcrumbs or creams that are sometimes used for stability. Force meat is a type of meat. Straight force meat made by grinding meat or fat together before seasoning. Say if we can say pâté de champignon. So a coarsely country style pâté. Country style force meat is made out of kosher in texture with visible chunks of meat and fat. Say for example rustin terrine with a pork liver. The next one is emulsified force meat is a smooth and creamy force meat created by pureeing and binding with egg and cream. Let us see the types of force meat. Gratin force meat, it used partially cooked meat to enhance the flavor. Chicken liver pâté, where the liver is sautéed before blending. Mousseline force meat is light and airy, typically made with fish or poultry, bound with cream and eggs. Salmon mousseline used for delicate seafood dishes. Force meat is an example of force meat based dishes. Classic chicken liver pâté ingredients like 250 grams of chicken liver, 100 grams of butter, 1 small onions and finely chopped onions and 2 cloves of garlic that is finely minced, 300 ml of cognac and it is seasoned with salt and pepper and thyme for the taste. Now we will see the force meat types. You have to saute the onions and garlic in butter until it is soft. Then you must add the chicken liver and cook until just like pink inside. Poultry in brandy and reduces slightly. Blend everything into a smooth puree and season and refrigerate until it is firm. Now we will see what is brine. So brines is a salt solution. So brining is a culinary techniques that involves soaking food and usually meat and poultry or seafood in a solution of water and salt, sometimes sugar and seasoning to enhance the moisture and flavor and tenderness. Brines work by osmosis and diffusion, helping proteins retain moisture during cooking, especially for lean meat that tend to dry out. Now we will see the types of brines. Wet brine is a liquid solution of water, salt, and an optional flavors like sugar and herb spices. So this wet brine is used for meat like turkey, chicken, pork or chop, and seafoods. Traditionally, turkey brine with salt, brown sugar, added with garlic and bay leaves and citrus. A dry brine, a salt rub is applied directly to the surface of the meat, sometimes mixed with the sugar and spices, draws out moisture which then reabsorb into the meat for better seasoning and tenderness. Next is all about brine. Basic brine formula: a standard wet brine ratio. For 1 liters, 4 cups of water and 60 grams of salt, 30 grams of sugar, and spices, herbs, and aromatic flavors are added. Brine common application: you have to brine up for 24 hours for juiciness. For pork chops and ribs, enhances moisture and flavors. For fish and seafood, short brining is required, at least 30 minutes to 2 hours for mild flavors or getting enhancement. Next is all about pickling vegetables, brining like cucumber, onion and peppers for fermentation. Hope you got an idea. Thank you.